Okay.
So we're just going to grab some soil to sample in the Berilesi funnel. And we like to get where there's a lot of
and I are about to show you how to set up a soil sample in the Winkler extractor. It's a method for capturing soil-dwelling arthropods, such as litter beetles and things. So you take this mesh bag first of all, and a sample of leaf litter, which was kindly collected by Heather this morning, and you empty your sample into this bag. Yeah. Just make sure all that gets in there. And then you place this mesh bag into this larger bag here. And attach a cup of alcohol to the bottom of the bag, which you have here. And this is where the insects that are sifted through the filter will land and be collected. So this is tied onto the bottom. And the cup should be held in place. So generally this bag is held up for 3 days or so until any desired insects are sifted through and collected in the alcohol pot at the end. And I think that's all we have to tell you about the Winkler extractor. So thanks for watching, and time to move on to our next method.
Hi, my name is Clay. I want to show you a good useful method about litter shifting. And now we can see there are different sizes of the CVs, and we can just pick one which we think is suitable. Then we just put it into our samples. After we put in our samples, we can just shake in the CVs, then make the small soils and some insect and the insects we want into the button. Then we can collect them all. Since this method we use for remove the big leaves and large leaves and the sticks which we don't want it. So after we shifting the things, we can collect it and use it for the funnel. Thank you.
Show you how to set up the Berilesi funnel. And as you see, we have this whole shelf of Berilesi funnels already set up. What we do is we take our sample. I'm going to use the litter sifted sample, and I'm going to do a second one with just a sample that we pulled, that we showed you how to collect a sample with. So this has a sieve with a screen in it. And then on top of that screen, we put some cheesecloth. And then we put our sample in onto the cheesecloth. And oops, I probably should have put the bottle on the bottom first. This is a bottle with ethanol. This is 80%. Depending on what you're doing with the samples, you might want to use 95 or 70. And then as the sample heats, The insects migrate down through the soil, fall into the funnel, and are collected in this jar. And that's it.